here we go. We have a question rooftop. So here the description is not very much clear. Let me tell you in easy terms. We need to find the longest increasing subarray. So in this case, either the answer is 1 2 or the answer is 2 3, and we need to find the increasing heights. So here we have one increasing, and here also we have one increasing, so the answer is 1 in this case. In this case we have three increasing, one this, then this, then this. So that's about this question. Let's build the approach. We have this array, so for this we first need to find n. We need to contain the answer in a variable answer, and to track for the current subarray we need to maintain a variable current. So we need to compare it with the previous element. So we have to start from the first index. So we just need to check, is it greater than previous? Yes. So current is 1 in this case. Is it greater than previous? Yes. So the answer is 2 in this case. And on every step, whenever whenever our current is greater than answer, we are updating our answer. So here the answer is 2. Then here, is it greater than previous? No. So we have to start from 0. So here we have 0. Is it greater than previous? Yes. So the answer is 1. Is it greater than previous? No. We have a smaller or similar element. So we need to start from 0. Is it greater than previous? No. So we start from 0. Is it greater than previous? Yes. So we have a 1 here. So the maximum answer is 3. Maximum answer is 2, sorry, because we have this array. So that's about this question. Let's code this. We have answer, current, and n. Start from 1. If it is greater than previous, we are updating our current. If it is not, then we are reinitializing the value 0. Then on every step we have to take the maximum, then at the end return the answer. Let's give it a try. And let's talk about time and space complexity. Time complexity is order of n, and space complexity is constant. It's a pretty easy question. Code is given in the description box. And if you guys have any doubt, feel free to ask in the comment section. Give this video a thumbs up to motivate me. Subscribe to this channel, and thank you all for watching.